Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like you are on a spa day in DTI. So in this cozy chic DTI tutorial, we are serving self-care realness with outfits inspo that screams I prioritize me. So if you want to know how I can create this look, let me show you the steps. For the hairstyle here, I'm using this bangs. And then I combine it with this updo here. This one in here. So that's for the hair, and let me show you how I can get the look. So first, let's go to this section in here. So I'm going to put on this top and color it white. And then here I'm going to combine it with this one at the top and toggle it into tight and change the color into white. And after that you can go to the skirt. So in here, put on this skirt, make it white, and then combine it with this one also in white. And last one is this mini skirt. Then I'm going to put on this the top here, also combine it with this top and change into white. And here I'm going to put on this pants also in white colors. And here I'm going to also put in the sleeves to go it into baggy sleeves like this. And now you can just put on some accessories. So here I'm going to put on the sleeping mask, this one, and toggle its on head. And here I'm going to change the color, the first one into white, second one into light pink. Here I'm going to put on these earrings, and then I'm going to go to the fitting room. Put on this bunny slipper, and also the leg warmers, make it white. And last one in here, put on this jacket, toggle it into top only and make the color white. So now the spa day look is done, and this is how it looks like. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.